What is up, everybody? We are currently in Flagstaff looking at all the beautiful snow up here.
And now it's sunny, so this doesn't ruin my day now.
Yeah, it was like pretty cloudy when we first got here, but it's pretty snowy now.
And sunny and bright. We just got done eating at Oregano's.
So we're gonna go to Arizona Snow Bowl and take some pictures. So we will see you in a little bit. Little update, guys. So we tried to go to Arizona Snow Bowl, and the road to get up there required either snow chains or four-wheel drive, and my car has neither of those. So we just decided to go to the Grand Canyon, and we stopped at a couple places along the way, took some pictures, and we just got to the Grand Canyon now. So we are going to take some more pictures and look around a little bit.
You'll see those photos on my channel and also on my Instagram, so just putting that out there.
Jules got her boots wet in the snow and was upset.
I was just more upset when the snow got in my boot, because that's not a great feeling. But yeah, by the way, it looks like freaking Christmas over here. Like, the trees with the snow on top is like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And also, like, just like how we went to like sunny and where it's like very dead grass and you can still see it, and then like once you pass that, it just goes back to being like freaking blizzard time. So it's really weird.
It's really weird when we were driving here. There was this 20-mile stretch where like there was like no snow at all. It was just like all dead grass and stuff. But once we got back up here towards like the actual Grand Canyon, right like the south entrance, and there's plenty of snow here.
Like, so it's ridiculous.
You gotta go the holy path.
Alright, so we just got done at the Grand Canyon and went to Starbucks. Someone has really cold hands, so they needed hot coffee.
He was the biggest baby.
Bro, it was not even that cold.
There he goes, trying to be like...
I feel like I ended up taking more pictures than Jules did.
Felt like it was colder for some reason.
Yeah, it was definitely felt colder.
It was,
it seemed like you weren't feeling it.
I wasn't. Like, I don't know what it was. But, yeah, I wanted to take pictures, but it was just like, I just was not feeling the freaking wind.
Yeah, there was a lot of cloud coverage inside the actual Grand Canyon, so...
It was, yeah, you could barely see anything.
We really didn't stay for that long, probably like 30 minutes at the most. So that was like mostly walking around.
Yeah, I mean, we took a picture like of me like in the snow, but like that was it. Not on like the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, I took like a bunch of just landscape pictures, and we are heading back to Flagstaff where we'll get some food, and then back to the valley.
Home.
Back home, yeah.